Feeling sluggish, bloated, or drained? You're not alone. Many of us wake up feeling tired, struggle to get through the afternoon, or just can't seem to shake that heavy, low-energy feeling. It's frustrating, especially when you want to be productive, active, and enjoy life to the fullest. But what if the answer to your fatigue isn't another cup of coffee or a sugary snack, but a simple change in what you eat? Imagine waking up refreshed, feeling lighter, and having the energy to tackle your day head-on. What if just 7 days of the right meals could make you feel lighter, energized, and unstoppable? It's not a dream, it's possible, and it starts with what you put on your plate. Today, we're sharing a 7-day anti-inflammatory meal plan created by a registered dietitian. This plan is designed not only to fight inflammation, but also to boost your energy, improve your mood, and help you feel your absolute best. And don't worry, it's as delicious as it is energizing. So what exactly are anti-inflammatory foods? These are foods that help reduce chronic inflammation in your body, which is often the root cause of fatigue, digestive issues, and even mood swings. By focusing on these foods, you can improve digestion, stabilize your energy levels, and even support your immune system. Think colorful veggies like bell peppers, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes. Add in fatty fish such as salmon and sardines, antioxidant-rich berries, crunchy nuts, and powerful spices like turmeric and ginger. These ingredients work together to calm inflammation and fuel your body with lasting energy. And here's the best part. This plan isn't just healthy, it's genuinely tasty. You won't feel deprived or bored. Instead, you'll look forward to every meal, knowing it's nourishing your body and mind. Let's dive into the plan. Day 1 starts simple but powerful. For breakfast, you'll enjoy a vibrant green smoothie packed with spinach, pineapple, and chia seeds. This combination is loaded with fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats to kickstart your metabolism and keep you full until lunch. The smoothie is not only refreshing, but also easy to prepare. Just blend spinach, pineapple, chia seeds, and a splash of almond milk or water. You can even add a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. For lunch, savor a hearty quinoa salad with roasted veggies. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, and the roasted vegetables add flavor, fiber, and antioxidants. Drizzle with a lemon tahini dressing for a zesty finish. Dinner is baked salmon with garlic broccoli. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and support brain health. The garlic broccoli adds a punch of flavor and even more anti-inflammatory benefits. It's a meal that's both satisfying and energizing. Days 2 through 4 keep the energy flowing and your taste buds happy. Each day you'll start with a breakfast that's both comforting and nutritious. Breakfasts feature overnight oats with berries and walnuts. Oats are a great source of slow-digesting carbs, while berries provide antioxidants and walnuts add healthy fats and crunch. Prepare them the night before for a grab-and-go morning meal. For lunch, enjoy hearty lentil soups. Lentils are packed with plant-based protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Add carrots, celery, and a touch of cumin for a warming, flavorful bowl. Dinners include stir-fried veggies with ginger and garlic. Use a mix of your favorite vegetables, like broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas, and toss them in a hot pan with fresh ginger and garlic. Serve over brown rice or cauliflower rice for a filling anti-inflammatory meal. Don't forget anti-inflammatory snacks between meals. Munch on a handful of almonds, sip on soothing turmeric tea, or try carrot sticks with hummus. These snacks help keep your blood sugar stable and your energy steady all day long. By days 5 through 7, you're in full anti-inflammatory mode. You'll notice your energy is more consistent, your mood is brighter, and you may even feel less bloated. Breakfasts get a fun twist with smoothie bowls. These smoothie bowls are topped with berries, seeds, and coconut flakes. They're not only beautiful, but also packed with nutrients. Blend frozen berries and banana with a splash of almond milk, then top with your favorite seeds and coconut for crunch and flavor. For lunch, enjoy roasted sweet potatoes with kale and chickpeas. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, kale is loaded with vitamins, and chickpeas add protein and fiber. Toss everything with olive oil and roast until golden for a satisfying, nutrient-dense meal. Dinners feature grilled chicken or tofu with a rainbow of vegetables. Whether you're a meat eater or prefer plant-based, this meal is customizable and bursting with color, flavor, and anti-inflammatory power. By now, your energy levels will be soaring. You might notice you're sleeping better, feeling more focused, and even moving with a little more pep in your step. That's the power of nourishing your body with the right foods. Here are a few quick tips from our dietitian to help you succeed. Plan your meals ahead of time. Keep your kitchen stocked with healthy staples. And don't be afraid to experiment with new flavors and ingredients. The more variety, the better. Prep your meals in advance to avoid reaching for processed foods when you're hungry or short on time. Batch cook grains, chop veggies, and portion out snacks so healthy choices are always within reach. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is key to reducing inflammation and keeping your energy up. Add a squeeze of lemon or a few slices of cucumber for a refreshing twist. And don't forget to spice it up. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic aren't just flavorful. They're inflammation fighters. Add them to soups, stir-fries, and even smoothies for an extra health boost. Ready to get started? Download your full 7-day anti-inflammatory meal plan below. You'll find detailed recipes, shopping lists, and tips to make your journey easy and enjoyable. Start your journey to more energy, less inflammation, and deliciously healthy meals today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more dietitian-approved tips and meal plans. Here's to a week of vibrant energy and delicious food. You've got this.